While the 2022 Toyota RAV4 isn't the most entertaining compact SUV from a driver's point of view. The entry-level model is affordable, but very basic, but the mid-range models offer many features that buyers in this segment will appreciate. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder is standard, as is an 8-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Four-wheel drive is also available. Toyota includes a host of standard driver assist features on the RAV4, including adaptive cruise control. Stylish details come with luxury features like faux leather upholstery, heated seats, and a JBL stereo system. And those who want even more efficiency can opt for a RAV4 Hybrid, so there's something for everyone. But what's new for 2022? The RAV4 gets the smallest of updates for 2022. More aggressively styled headlights are now offered on all but the LE trim, and LED fog lights are now standard on XLE Premium, Limited, Adventure, and TRD Off-Road trims. It's hard for us to resist the cool new TRD Off-Road, but we would practice going for the mid-range Premium XLE. It provides a lot of standard equipment that the LE and XLE don't offer, like 19-inch wheels, a power liftgate, dual-zone automatic air conditioning, leatherette upholstery with a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob. Toyota makes its suite of driver assist features standard on all trims, so there's not much reason to go for a more expensive trim unless, of course, you really want ventilated seats. Engine, transmission and performance are the same. The 2022 RAV4 uses a 203 Scoundrel 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive remains standard, but Toyota now offers a choice of four-wheel drive systems, depending on trim. The 2022 RAV4 uses a 203 Scoundrel 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Front-wheel drive remains standard, but Toyota now offers a choice of four-wheel drive systems, depending on trim. Inside, the RAV4 prioritizes ergonomics and cubbyhole storage. A useful shelf spans the dash and complements the large center console. The base trim, called LE, is pretty Spartan and comes with cloth seats, a sticky steering wheel, and single-zone manual temperature control. In the next level XLE, Toyota offers a few perks, but there's a lot more than in the XLE Premium, including leatherette upholstery, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, and a padded, stitched dash, armrests, center console. The RAV4's rear seats are easy to store and fold almost flat, opening up the cabin for cargo. There are 10 carry-on bags behind the rear seat and 22 with it folded. The RAV4 security features a number of standard driver assists. Buyers can also add blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert, but those features cost extra on the base model. But its key security features include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keep assist, standard adaptive cruise control, this for all versions.